Hi, my name is Megan Avitable, and you know what time it is. It is time to talk IEPs. Welcome to part 11 of the Procedural Safeguards series. Today we're going to be talking about confidentiality of information. Before we get into it, we need to define participating agency. So a participating agency is any school district, agency, or institution that collects, maintains, or uses personally identifiable information or from which information is obtained. Now we're going to talk about access rights. So the participating agency must permit you to inspect and review any education records relating to your child. The participating agency must comply with your request to inspect and review any educational records without unnecessary delay and before any meeting regarding an IEP or any impartial due process hearing, and in no case more than 45 calendar days after you have made a request. Your right to inspect and review education records includes your right to a response from the participating agency to your reasonable requests for explanations and interpretations of the records, your right to request that the participating agency provide copies of the records if you cannot effectively inspect and review the records unless you receive those copies, and your right to have your representative inspect and review the records. The participating agency may presume that you have authority to inspect and review records relating to your child unless otherwise informed that you do not have the authority under applicable state law. If there is a record that includes information on more than one child, the parents of those children have the right to inspect and review only the information relating to their child or be informed of that specific information. Now, an important part, amendment of records at parents' request. If you believe that information in the education records regarding your child collected, maintained, or used under Part B of IDEA is inaccurate, misleading, or violates the privacy or other rights of your child, you may request the participating agency that maintains the information to change the information. Now, we will go over that in more detail in Part 12. So stay tuned.